Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Amatullah Hussain and I'll be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel down below. So yet again I'm back with another tutorial video. Today we are going to learn how to make a 3D ball in Illustrator. Let's not waste our time and let's get started. Hello everybody, I'm going to show you how to design and create a 3D ball design just like this. Now let me walk you through these steps one by one. First step, delete everything. Let's start from scratch. Go over to your left side, grab the rectangle tool. We are going to create all thin rectangles just like this. And this one's green. I don't really like that color, so let's go with something like purple. I'm going to hold down the Alt or the Option key and I'm going with the selection tool selected and I'm going to pull it to the side so that this creates a duplicate copy. And in this case I'm going to have them so that they are touching the second copy. I'm just going to go ahead and click on the purple and I'm going to make this one yellow. Okay, and then we will do it one more time. Now hold all and pull to the right. Make sure they are connected, and this one will be purple, yellow and red. Okay, there we go. We have got the look. Now I'm going to select all three of these, hold on the Alt and duplicate them, something like this. Make sure they are connected and do it one more time. So we have got it kind of almost across the whole screen. So now this is not required, but this is how we create the custom design. Now I'm just going to center them. Now the next step is you go to your symbols workspace or symbol panel. Click on the hamburger here at the top right and click on new symbol. When you do that, you can name this something like 3D ball and you got a new symbol. Now click on OK and now the design is ready. That's the hard part. Let's create the 3D ball now. Delete all the stuff. Go over back to left side, grab your Ellipse tool, click on it and pull it down the shift key to make it symmetrical. There we go. We have got a symmetrical sphere. It doesn't matter what the color is because we are going to make the changes to it. And next, before we do that, head over here and grab your direct selection tool. This is the most important step. This anchor point right here, and just this point you need to delete it. We want half a circle because then we are going to revolve that so that it looks correct. If you will leave it at a whole circle, it will look silly. Okay, so we have deleted half of the circle. Perfect. Now we are going to go to the effect and we are going to go to 3D and materials, and then we are going to go to revolve. Click on that and presto, we now have awesome 3D ball effect. Now we want to add in the custom design we made, right? So now go over here to materials, click materials, and then here you go, it will say 3D ball or whatever you named yours as, and click on that and press. It's applied. It is not quite long enough, so I'm just going to go ahead and grab the selection tool and I'm just going to increase the size a little bit. Not that wasn't right, so let's go ahead and pull down maybe something like this, and now let go, click out, and we have a 3D ball. Thanks for watching. So this was the most simplest and easiest way to make a 3D ball or any other object on Illustrator. If you found this video helpful and if you really like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe and do let me know in the comment section down below if you want a video on any specific topic. Do not forget to hit that bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.